Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to upload your track or your song on SoundCloud application. So first of all, of course, you would like to go and open the browser that you're going to use to follow the tutorial steps. So of course, in my case, if you noticed, I'm actually using the Brave web browser. But of course, for you, you can use any other browser could be possibly working for you. It will work on this tutorial, such as Opera, Google Chrome, Firefox, Microsoft Edge, maybe if you have a Mac, Safari, or any other browser could be working for you. Of course, even if Internet Explorer if it's working for you, right? Anyway, then you would like just to go and type SoundCloud, cloud.com and hit the enter button. Of course, that will take you into this page, and from here you would like just to go and log in into your account if you don't have if you do have an account. But if you don't have an account, you'd like just to go and create your account, and you can just create your account by a Gmail or Facebook, and there is a third option. That, of course, if you don't want to go through all the steps of creating your account. And let's say you already created your account, just log into it, and that will actually be your home screen. Of course, here you will have different songs, not like me, depending on what you heard recently or what you may like. SoundCloud suggests that for you. Anyway, if you want to actually, let's just go back to the idea of the video, and which is how to upload a song or a track to SoundCloud. So first of all, you'd like just to go and click at the name of your account right here. Just click on it, then click add profile. So from here, actually, you will have this is your profile. And of course, if you click here on tracks, as you can see, seems a little quiet over here. For me, I didn't even upload. I never uploaded any track. But for you, all you need to do, just go and click at this upload option. And as you can see, you can drag and drop your tracks album here, or choose a file to upload. So if you click on that, that will actually take you into your documents of your PC. Or if you have the documents open, just drag and drop your track right here, and it will actually start uploading. And of course, you can make it private or public, and you'll be good to go. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching. Goodbye.